was awful, Mama, and I'm still so itchy. You did a great job, buddy. I want... Pick something fun. Marshall Bubbles. My bubbles. That's awesome, buddy. And I am not coming back to see that lady. Promise? What color balloon do you want, buddy? Yellow or blue? Take the blue one. It's the least you could do. The next time, if the person that is supposed to be cutting his hair is changing, could you call me first? I can try my best, ma'am, but sometimes we forget. Why does it matter anyway? If you give me that lady again, I'm gonna bop you on the head with my balloon. Because it matters to him and it matters to me. Thanks for nothing, crazy haircut people. Well, you have a great day now. Thank you for coming in.